You're looking for something easy to carry that's also pretty stylish and gonna save your butt in a pinch, this is what I'm gonna recommend. This is so easy to carry, and it comes with the keychain and the carabiner. It comes with all of this. Attach it to your keychain and know that you have peace of mind to carry something on you that's gonna protect you in a pinch. Let's turn it on over here in the corner. Now it's on. You have the flashlight button here, and then this top button is the that is probably not going to really hurt someone, but it's gonna scare them enough to make them back away. Carry in public. Give this as a gift to your young college age daughter, high school age daughter, especially if they are off to work now and they're off, you know, at nighttime or by themselves in kind of unknown circumstances. Having something on their keychain like this is going to give you and them peace of mind. For watching. Before you go, I would appreciate so much if you would hit the like button just to help a girl out and maybe consider subscribing.